Apple Maps Debacle, the launch, problems, and apology. In 2012, Apple Maps was introduced as a replacement for Google Maps on Apple devices. However, the app encountered multiple problems shortly after launch, and many of them were blamed on Scott Forstall, the former senior vice president of iOS software at Apple. One of the most significant issues was the accuracy of the maps and directions provided, which were frequently outdated and missing important information such as public transportation routes and points of interest. The app also suffered from technical glitches and bugs, and some users had trouble getting it to work properly. Now, before getting into the video, let me introduce myself. So, this is Apple Podcast, and all I do over here is post videos about Apple answering your questions. So, please consider subscribing if you're one of these tech fans. I have another channel to relax yourself, the link to which will be given in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Forstall's determination to make Apple Maps a success was reported to have led to the resistance to input from other executives who were concerned about the app's accuracy and functionality. As a result, Apple's decision to develop its own mapping software was partly to blame for the app's poor performance, as it differs significantly from Google Maps, which had been the default app on Apple devices for several years. Furthermore, the company had removed Google Maps from its devices, leaving users with very few alternatives if they wanted a reliable mapping app. The launch of Apple Maps was widely considered a misstep for Apple, and Forstall was rumored to have been forced to resign from the company as a result. While Apple has since made significant improvements to the app, it still lags behind Google Maps in terms of accuracy and functionality, and some users continue to report the issue with the app. To our customers, at Apple, we strive to make world class products that deliver the best experience possible to our customers. With the launch of our new maps last week, we fell short on this commitment. We are extremely sorry for the frustration this has caused our customers, and we are doing everything we can to make maps better. We launched maps initially with the first version of iOS. As time progressed, we wanted to provide our customers with even better maps, including features such as turn by turn directions, voice integration, flyover, and vector based maps. In order to do this, we had to create a new version of maps from the ground up. There are already more than 100 million iOS devices using the new Apple Maps, with more and more joining us every day. In just over a week, iOS users with the new maps have already searched for nearly 500 million locations. The more our customers use the maps, the better it will get, and we greatly appreciate all of the feedback we have received from you. While we're improving maps, you can try alternatives by downloading map apps from App Store like Bing MapQuest and Waze, or use Google or Nokia Maps by going to their website and creating an icon on your home screen to their web page. Everything we do at Apple is aimed at making our products the best in the world. We know that you expect that from us, and we will keep working non-stop until Maps lives up to the same incredible high standard. Apologized Tim Cook. However, the blame for the problems with Apple Maps cannot be placed solely on Forstall, as there were other factors involved. For instance, Forstall did not believe that the company needed to apologize for the app's performance, which contrasted with the approach taken by Steve Jobs during the antenna gate issue on the iPhone 4. In addition, there are differing opinions about the reasons for Forstall's departure from the company. In conclusion, Apple Maps' problems resulted from a combination of factors including the decision to develop an in-house mapping app, the resistance to input from other executives, and the technical glitches that affected the app at launch. While Forstall played a significant role in the app's development, it would be unfair to place all the blame on him. The launch of Apple Maps serves as a reminder to companies of importance of thorough testing and quality assurance before releasing a new product to the public. Comment below your thoughts on Scott Forstall not apologizing and being fired from Apple. So that's gonna do for the day, guys. Thank you for watching. Once again, please like, share, and subscribe if you're one of these tech fans. I'll see you in another video.